In this video, I'll show you how to create a one product Shopify store from complete scratch. Even if you are a complete beginner and never built a Shopify store in your life, after watching this video, you'll walk away with a professional and branded one product Shopify store. In the past year, I've built and sold my own one product Shopify store, which generated me over 6 figures in sales. So if you want to get the same results yourself, well, then this video is going to be the only video you need to watch if you want to build outstanding, high converting one product Shopify store. Also, as a bonus during this video, I'm gonna give you 50 plus video hooks that I used on TikTok to market my store and generate millions of views on the platform. So after you finish building your store, you can start creating viral content on TikTok for your products and generate thousands in sales. So obviously we're gonna be using Shopify to build our store, but I don't want you to spend any money on Shopify while you're testing your products. So make sure to use the first link in my description to get yourself free Shopify trial, and then you only gonna pay $1 per month for 3 months after your trial ends. So once you're here, simply enter your email address and then press start free trial. Right here, you can select I'm just starting out, or I'm already selling online or in person. All right, so once we are on the dashboard, first thing I recommend you to do to be able to use all the features, go and select your plan. So right here, you go select plan, and then you choose this basic plan. As I mentioned before, it's the most popular plan. It's more than you need to get started. It's the cheapest one, and it's gonna be, as I said, $1 per month for 3 months. And don't worry, once you enter your card details, you won't gonna be charged anything. Only after your trial ends, you're gonna be charged $1 per month for 3 months, and you can cancel it anytime. So I'm just gonna add my payment method, which is gonna be credit card. After you enter your details, just click confirm billing cycle, then just click subscribe right here and you're good to go. So first things first, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to online store. We're then gonna go and remove the password. Now the password has been removed, we can actually go ahead and select our theme. And to be honest, Sense theme is a really good theme. I found it to be converting really well. And for this store, I'm gonna be using Sense theme. So I'm just gonna click add. So after the theme installation has been finished, we're gonna click publish and publish our theme. All right, so now we have the main theme on our store, which is Sense theme. You can view how your store looks right now. It has nothing yet, but don't worry, we're gonna add everything. We're gonna add a product and everything like that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add policies. We're gonna add privacy policy, terms of services, shipping information, stuff like that. So we're gonna go to pages, and we also gonna go to settings and open another link for settings. It's gonna be here. We're gonna go to policies. We're gonna turn this on. We're gonna generate the return policy. Gonna go over and copy this entire thing. Gonna go back to pages, gonna click add page, and we're gonna write refund policy. Or you can honestly just do returns and paste this entire thing right here. Go back, generate privacy policy. Again, select entire thing, copy, go to back to pages, add page. Now it's a privacy policy. And I'm gonna paste this entire thing right here. Click save. The same goes for terms of service. Copy, paste it right here. And then we have shipping policy, which can't be generated. And I'm gonna give you my own shipping sample that you can use. I'm gonna write it down right now and I'm gonna show you how it looks so you can copy pretty much. I'm gonna go click add page and I'm gonna write shipping information or just shipping. And this is the one I'm using for dropshipping products. Feel free to copy this one for yourself, see what I've wrote here and tailor it for your own store. Now we're gonna make a contact page. So we're gonna click add page and name it contact us. And in theme template, we're gonna choose contact and click save. And now you should have a contact page already. Yep, right here, as you can see. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all of these in our footer on our store, so it's going to be visible on our store. So we're going to go to navigation, we're going to go to footer menu, we're going to delete the search, and we're going to go click add menu item. We're going to go to link, we're going to go to pages, we're going to go terms of service, and then again link, pages, then we're going to go privacy policy. Again, right here, we're going to go to contact us, and pretty much going to add all the pages right here. So yeah, we finished with footer menu navigation. Now one thing, we go to main menu. Always love to pre-select the navigation from main menu. So we're gonna have home. We won't gonna have catalog because it's gonna be one product store. We can delete this one, and we're gonna delete contact as well. So right here, what we're gonna have is we're gonna have link to our like product. Also, we're gonna have contact. So for now, just save it like that. Don't worry. And let's move to another step. Quickly, before we add products and do anything like that, let's change some settings. So go to settings, please go to shipping and delivery, go to general shipping rates, click manage. And then we're gonna change this one standard. We're gonna click here, click edit. We're gonna choose free premium shipping, click done. We're always gonna do free shipping. We don't want to double charge our customers. I'm gonna down here, and in the international, we're gonna, instead of standard, do the same thing. We're gonna select free premium shipping and change this to 0. Gonna click save. Now when customer go on checkout, they see that shipping is free and they see that it's free premium shipping. Premium adds more exclusivity. It's gonna convert better. Obviously, we want to be able to accept payments. So we go to payments, and what we're gonna do, since you already created an account, they automatically add your PayPal account under the email you used to create your Shopify account. That's a really giant mistake by Shopify. I don't know why they do that, but now just click manage and just deactivate, because you probably, your PayPal account email could be different, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna deactivate your PayPal account first, and then you're gonna add your PayPal account if you have it. If you don't have it, choose a provider here and select a Stripe. If you don't have Stripe account, create it first and then add it. If you are from United Kingdom, United States, Canada, France, you then be able to add Shopify payments. If you don't have that option, please create Stripe account. So once we've done that, once we added the payment providers, we can move to the next step, which is going to be adding important apps. Once I'm going to be adding some apps, I don't want to overdo it, because if you have too much apps on your store could not, like, the loading speed could go down, and we really want to make sure that the store is loading really well and it's amazing, right? So we're just gonna add few apps, which is like really essential apps. So we're gonna click here, Shopify App Store. We're gonna go here and look for reviews, and this is the app. Click add app, click install app. Then we can skip the tour. It's not necessary. And yeah, this is what we're going to be using to add reviews. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to navigate through it. It's really simple. And then we're going to add one more app, which is going to be FAQ. So your customers can see frequently asked questions. And for FAQ, we're going to be using Help Hub FAQ page. Click add app, install app, and we're gonna leave this for a second before we add our product, so we can know what type of FAQs to add. Okay, so the product I'm gonna be using to build a store is a really cool product. It's inkless printer. So here's a quick TikTok that shows what this inkless printer essentially does. As you can see, it's proven that this product works on TikTok. Like, you can market it and it's already a proven product. People actually want it. It has millions of views and it's not that saturated yet. So for me, it's a really, really good product that could be easily marketed on TikTok. And that is one of the criteria I look out for when building a store. I actually found a better variation of it. Essentially, it's almost the same one as you saw in the video. So I'm going to be using this product to build a store. I'm going to be using Alibaba as well to source the product, because if you buy in bulk, you can easily get better prices from Alibaba. So what you need to do is, like, if you're starting completely from scratch, you don't have a product, what you can do is you build out a store first. You get one product to your home, you film videos, you test the videos, you see if you're getting sales. As soon as you start getting sales, you can order in bulk. The products come to your home, you can ship out to your customers, and you essentially haven't invested anything to get started. And that's exactly what I always recommend to do. And this is what I'm going to do myself. So we go to the product on Shopify, we click add your products. And now I need to come up with a really, really cool name for it. It can't just be copy and pasted from Alibaba, right? So why not use ChatGPT for a little help? What we can do is we can copy the full name from Alibaba and ask ChatGPT to make 10 versions of this product title, just shorter versions, of course. Make 10 shorter versions for this product title. I really like this one. Obviously, we don't need this part, so we can just use inkless portable printer, title right here. So as you can see, I found kind of the same product on Amazon. So now we obviously can't just go over to Amazon and copy entire product copy, description, and everything like that. And we actually want to make a description much better. So what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna show you some powerful prompts to use on ChatGPT that you can use and make amazing product descriptions. So first thing, what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask ask ChatGPT this: how can I leverage simplicity in my copywriting to enhance conversions? Then we're gonna go over and say, can you elaborate on that? Then we're gonna write, can you write a product copy using the same principles for a inkless portable printer product? Obviously, we're gonna let ChatGPT to do the work. We have pretty cool copy. Let's copy this one and go back to the product. Copy right here, and let's fix it a little bit. So I don't really think we need introducing part. Delete it. And we have a description. Print documents, photos, and labels anytime, anywhere with the inkless portable printer. Say goodbye to messy ink, cartridges, and complicated setups. Experience the freedom of effortless printing. Then we have key benefits, and wow, this did amazing job, to be honest. I really love the copy so far. It looks amazing. We're gonna do this, key benefits, and then we're gonna put this into can we have a format? Yeah, bullet format, like that. I always love to add some sort of trust badge at the start right here. So we're gonna leave the space right here and go to Google. We're gonna go over and look for trust badge PNG, but we actually want to use something a little bit more high quality. And this one, to be honest, looks really good. If you ever need to remove a background for the picture, just go to remove.bh, and yeah, they're gonna remove your background like that. And let's click download, go back to our store, click insert image, and I'm just gonna insert the image without a background, the one I just downloaded. Click here, insert image, and yeah, it looks now it looks starting to look good. We select here active, we click save for now. I forgot to show you guys one thing. So when you want to select your store currency, and if you're gonna be selling worldwide, make sure your store currency is dollars, not something else, not euros. So go to settings, go to store details, and scroll down, and you're gonna see store currency right here, and just select US dollars and click save. What I always like to do for extra conversions is to add some sort of visuals in the main description. So for example, right here, it could be a picture, or it could be even a GIF. So for example, you don't have content yourself yet. So what you can do is you can create a GIF from existing content. So for example, we have this video right here. What we can do is we can download a TikTok video. So we go to SnapTik. This is the TikTok video downloader, and we download this video. I'm gonna quickly use Adobe Premiere Pro to make this video 1080 against 1080, but you can definitely use any free software, free editing video software to do this. You don't necessarily need a paid software like Adobe Premiere Pro for that, because I don't want this to be too wide, and I'm gonna do it really quickly and show you how to turn that into GIF for your description. First thing, I'm gonna remove the sound, and I'm just gonna select certain places which I want. So I'm gonna start from this one. So for now it's a video, and it's not 180 against 180. So I'm gonna go to sequence settings, and I'm gonna go to frame size and select 180 here and 180 right here. I'm gonna expand this and lower the position maybe a little bit. And yeah, the key benefits are showing, and that's it. That's all I need for a GIF, for a short GIF. And I'm gonna go over to export. And as I said, you can do the same thing with any editing software. I'm gonna click match source and export it. We're gonna go to Google and search for GIF Maker, and Ease GIF is gonna be our best option. Choose files, and I'm gonna choose the one I just made and upload and make a GIF. And click here, convert to GIF, and then click save right here. Now we can go back to our product, and we can insert the GIF right here. Click upload file, this one. Insert image, and we have the GIF. Click save. Now select the price, of course. For this product, as far as I saw, if I'm buying in bulk, I will be able to get it for $10. On Amazon, I think it's over $100, so there's no point for me to go lower. So I'm gonna go for $97, and I'm gonna put it compare price at $180. So it's gonna look like it's on a discount. Now, of course, we need some pictures. And when you don't have a product yourself, it's an issue to get good pictures. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the internet, gonna see what other people have. I'm gonna go to Google and show you exactly my process when it comes down to looking for pictures. So as you can see, we found a pretty cool image right here, and we can definitely use this one. I'm gonna download it on the computer, and I'm gonna upload it on my Shopify. After I upload the first image on Shopify, now what I'm gonna do is gonna search for 2 to 5 more images, and then we're gonna go straight into the designing the product page and home page. All right, so once we have all the images, now it's time to add some FAQs so the customers can see essentially your store's frequently asked questions. So we're gonna add things like how long is the shipping, etc., etc., and of course some stuff about the product. So we're gonna head over to apps. We're gonna go to Help Hub. We're gonna change, we're just gonna simply delete this one and create our first FAQ right here. So essentially the first one we're gonna write is gonna be how long does delivery take, because I feel like this is what people are often, it's the first question they have, and this is essentially what you can use as a sample to answer the question. This is where you enter your store's email, by the way. So we're gonna click save. Then for the next one, I'm gonna write how secure is my personal information, because I feel like this one is also really important to people. This is the sample that you can add yourself. You can just stop the video and add the sample. Now to add some questions and FAQs about the product, we're gonna go to Amazon and we're gonna see the answered questions right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some of them, not obviously all 75 of them. So once you're done adding your FAQs, click here, preview FAQs, click view FAQ page and copy this URL of the FAQ page. Then what I want you to do is go to online store, go to navigation right here, click main menu, click add menu item, type FAQ, click link and select this one and click add. Then we're gonna have FAQ right here, and we also want to add that at a footer. We go to footer and we add FAQ item right here as well. Click save and we're done with the FAQs. Now I'm gonna show you the whole process of adding reviews directly from Amazon for your product before we go to do the product page design and homepage design. So just simply go to the product that is on Amazon, that the one that you're selling, copy this URL, go back to your store and go to apps and go to reviews. Go to reviews and import reviews. Enter the URL of Amazon right here and click import. What we're gonna do is we also gonna comments with images only, and that should be good. We click submit. So we have total 42 reviews right here. We can click view and we can see them actually. You can simply just click here if you don't want that review to be shown. So before we start doing anything else, let's make a logo for the brand. So all right guys, so instead of creating a logo yourself, you can actually utilize AI, and such a powerful tool of AI that's gonna make you your logo for your website. So I love this website called photor.com. Once you go there, you're gonna have free credits, so don't worry, you don't have to pay for anything. I'm just gonna sign in real quickly. For every new Gmail account, you're gonna get 5 credits. So what I'm gonna do is gonna ask design a logo for a portable printer brand, and I'm gonna choose concept art. And I'm probably gonna choose 4 against 3. So this is what they came up with. It's a little bit different from what I'm looking for. What if I actually add the image of the portable printer that I have, for example, this one right here, and see what they can do for me? So look at that, guys. I feel like it's gonna be the first image for the product. And to be honest, it looks amazing. You can honestly use this tool to add all your product images, and AI can make it so it looks like different, as you can see, and it's definitely unique. I'm gonna quickly change the primary picture of my product to the AI generated image and leave other images right here. So now if we click on the view icon and we go to our website, yeah, the first image is much better now. And obviously there are some changes that needs to be made on the website, which we're gonna do right now. All right, so now, as I said, let's go and customize our store. So first things what we're gonna customize is gonna be the homepage. So let's start from here. I'm gonna change the colors as I go, but now let's go to logo first, right here. Select the logo and upload that logo you added right here. It's gonna change right here. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, favicon as well. So add it right here. Logo size, you can obviously increase it and decrease it, but I don't think it's a smart idea to have it that big. Maybe even the smallest one. Let's leave it at 100 like that. I want my header to be, the logo I want to be in the top left. What if middle left? Yeah, like that, middle center. So let's do middle left. Let's save for now. Go to announcement right here and let's write free worldwide shipping for all orders. Nice. Let's save it. Now right here, let's add the image of our AI generated product. Assuming this one like that. Let's maybe decrease the size a little bit or just keep it to adapted image. By the way, you can always see how this website looks on the phone as well while you're building it. So click mobile and you can see it. Let's write here, the future is here, and the button links to, let's go to order now, and the button links to the product, of course, inkless portable printer, and let's save it. Now down below, let's just have a product. So instead of feature collection, let's add a feature product. Then we gonna select the product. It's gonna be this one, of course, and delete the feature collection. We're just going here and remove the section. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to firstly remove this one. I don't think that subscribe to our emails is necessary right here. And in the footer, we have to connect our footer actually. So add block and select menu. Just leave it like that and maybe remove the quick links. This one, it's not necessary right here. So now I'm gonna change background colors really quickly. So I'm gonna select this one and I'm gonna go over to scheme 1. I'm gonna change it, and then background gradient. I just want it to be white, to be honest. Don't want it to look like that. Yeah, so I just want to keep it white, and I just want to remove that green stuff over here completely. Yeah, just white and clean, of course. Then I want to change this one to black, so the sale as well should be changed to black. And I'm gonna click save, and we're missing one button right here, so we're gonna go back to our Shopify store real quick. We're gonna go to navigation, and we're gonna go to main menu. I'm gonna click add menu item, and we're gonna select inkless portable printer, and we're gonna name this shop printer. And yeah, for a minimalistic reasons, we're gonna have it like that. And that's it, just shop printer. Let's go back to online store. Let's go back to customization. I really want this as well to be changed, this color. Let's go here, let's go to change. I really like this one. Yeah, I love this color. All right, so let's go to the actual product. So as you can see, the product page is pretty solid already. We have the reviews, we have everything we need. Essentially reviews is the most important part. So now, since we have the product page solid because we did all the backend work in the actual Shopify backend, what we need to do, one more thing, we gotta go to team settings and we gotta go to checkout right here. And on the checkout, also add your logo. So when people go through the checkout, they can see the logo as well. Let's just click save. Now, since we don't have any related products, there's no point to have the space right here. So just remove related products. Just click on related products, click these 3 dots here and click hide. And let's leave the customer reviews right here. And yeah, guys, just like that, we finished the store design. A really important thing before you launch it, go and do add a custom domain. So to add a custom domain, please go to settings, go to domains right here. And as you can see, it's obviously a random domain. So come up with a name for your store, of course. And I'm assuming you already know this if you're watching this, but you can honestly buy a first domain from GoDaddy, I think for $1, and then you just can connect existing domain, and it's gonna be pretty simple and straightforward, and then your website gonna have a custom domain. So guys, as promised, I have a gift for you. Inside the description of this video or in the pinned comment down below this video, you're gonna find a link to Viral Hooks. It's completely free product, and you can get it right now. These hooks are really good to use when creating content for TikTok for your product. So for example, we have this hook, the perfect X that doesn't exist. So for example, instead of X, you would enter your product name. So for example, the perfect inkless printer doesn't exist. And then you go on and show the product, or top TikTok shopping finds. Then you have, if you haven't tried X, watch this. And there's 50 hooks. I don't want to show all of them in this video. Do not waste your time. So feel free to get it down below in the description or in the first pinned comment for absolutely free. And yeah, enjoy it. If you enjoyed watching this video, definitely enjoyed this one where I show you how to 4x your Shopify conversion rate. Thank you for watching.